We go, guys. Just a real quick video on Kimber Morgan. It's what we share with our members behind closed doors. Okay, we just don't do crypto over here. We teach because crypto, the altcoins are going to run up and then crash and be gone, and then you have to have the next transition level. Okay, to go to the next feeding water, so to speak. Like whales, they go from one feeding ground to the other, and that's what we're going to be doing. And this was part of this infrastructure companies is part of our package of Trump trades. Okay, some of the sectors we're looking at, and one of the top companies in the infrastructure group here, sector here, was Kimber Morgan. But believe it or not, went short on it when everybody else was trying to go long. And we'll go ahead and show you those little tricks behind the scenes that we do to figure out when to go short, when to go long, so on and so forth. But anyway, as you can see, we were a little ways above the 20 up here, but more importantly, we go over to the weekly chart and you can see this sell-off candle here going up into resistance, okay? And we'll show you here in a second, this resistance goes back to 2011, 2014, and the further apart those pivots are, high pivots, low pivots, resistance zones, the further apart they are, for example, 2011, 2014, the stronger they are, okay, when you come back up and hit them, all right? So we had a couple of factors here, that red dashed line of resistance that I'll show you in a second, a sell-off candle, topping tail candle, and visually it might not look that far, but time and distance here, we're pretty far above the 20, and price never gets or stays that far above the 20. But let's go back over here, left side of the chart. Everything you need to know, which a lot of people don't know, everything you need to know about support, resistance, potential areas, that price is going to land on, is going to be safe. That's good, a safety net, or excuse me, going up in price, what that resistance is going to be. And going back, right here, February 2011, still couldn't get through it right here in December 2011, came back, tested it, February 2012, came down, tested it here, and right over here. Matter of fact, we were consolidating on it, trying to hold, finally broke through, came back, retested, and the rest is history, okay? So that's just, we're just not a crypto, trading, investing, education, showing the skills and techniques of doing that. We're also involved in, the metals, commodities, stocks, as you can see. And anyway, if you'd like to see, more about what we're doing, come and check us out. And in the meantime, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the charts.